How to download songs on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you download songs on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can download songs on your iPhone using two apps. First one is Apple Music. Simply you'll have to open Apple Music app. From there, if you have any subscription, simply you can tap on that and you can add it on your favorite. Even you can download if you got the option download. Second one is Spotify. Simply open Spotify. After you open Spotify, you can as usual add it on your library or you can download it for your offline purposes. For this also, you must have the premium version. Simply from there, you can get the download version. And that's it. These are the process you can try to download songs on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.